Imagine being able to change the entire vibe of your home videos with just a quick tap on your phone screen. Google is rolling out a brand new video remix feature for Google Photos, and it honestly sounds like magic. Powered by their latest AI model called Gemini Omni, this tool is designed to edit and completely transform your clips in mere seconds. You do not need to be a professional video editor or spend hours staring at complex software anymore. Google is basically handing you a top-tier editing studio right inside the app you already use to back up your memories. By baking this generative artificial intelligence directly into Google Photos, they are giving all of us a huge reason to never leave their ecosystem. You can find this new tool tucked away in the Create tab. Once you are in, the possibilities are wild. Let us say you shot a video that turned out a little too dark. You can just apply cinematic relighting to instantly brighten it up, giving it a beautiful morning glow. Or maybe you want to get a little crazy and swap out your boring living room background, so it looks like you filmed the whole thing inside a lush, green botanical greenhouse. You can even apply artistic filters that make your video look like a raw sketchbook drawing, an oil painting, or a flowing watercolor piece. It is all about taking those ordinary, everyday moments and turning them into something you actually want to share with your friends. Google mentioned in their announcement that making beautiful clips should not require a degree in film production, and they are absolutely right. This video remix tool is starting to roll out right now to eligible Google II Plus Pro and Ultra subscribers in several countries, including the US, Argentina, Brazil, India, Japan, and Turkey, just to name a few. This is just the latest step in Google's massive push to make Photos the smartest gallery app on your phone. They recently gave us amazing touch-up tools to fix skin texture, brighten eyes, and whiten teeth, plus a crazy feature that turns photos of your clothes into a digital closet, so you can try on outfits virtually. The future of editing is definitely here, and it is entirely automated.